Hello everyone. I would like to show you two related to each other new features which are available for prime tuning only. The features today we are talking about are called exit feed factor and exit length. First, let's see where the option can be found in user interface. The first one is in feed page. Meantime, the exit length is located in surface path page under entry arc. Exit feed factor allows the user to modify the cutting feed rate at the end of each turning roughing cut. This means the value of the normal feed rate is getting multiplied with the value of exit feed factor. Exit length parameter define how long the segment where the obtained by multiplication feed rate will be applied. Let's try with this example. 111 mm feed rate, the exit factor 3 value, and 10 mm exit feed length. Notice how the feed rate is applied and how long the segments are. Let's try another example with 450 mm feed rate, exit factor 2, and the exit length 20 mm. Now the toolpath is getting calculated and the simulation has started. Notice now how the feed rate for exits is double than the main feed rate, and the segment has been increased as well. Thank you very much for your attention.